All right, YouTubers, here's what I've got. I've got a brand spanking new caddx Turbo Micro sdr1. Okay, now this is the first one I've seen of this. This is a pretty neat looking camera. So here's what I got. I'm going to open it up. I'll show you what we got inside the box here. All right, so here is the camera, and I ordered this pretty cool green. That is the micro camera. It does look very similar to the Runcam micros, but I'm going to show you all of the major differences here with this thing. Inside the box, you got the camera, which is pretty cool. It is a 2.1 millimeter lens. I'll show you what else we got in here. Lost the damn thing. Bracket, mounting bracket. You've also got your OSD controller. And down in the bottom, you got all this little happy stuff. Looks like we got some hardware, an Allen wrench, and obviously our wire harness. So just for comparison's sake, let me show you what we got weight-wise here. I believe on their site it says this thing weighs 5 grams. So let me just see what this thing weighs. I got 6, okay, close enough. So let me give you some of the major differences between this and the Runcam Micro. This is the new sdr1 version. This thing is 1200 TVL, okay, so it has 1200 lines. This is a CMOS camera. This one, however, is a little bit unique. This one I liked because this is a 16:9 and a 4:3 switchable, I believe, with the OSD, which I'm going to check out here shortly. This also has the Sony Exmor R Starvis sensor. I have no idea what that is, but it sounds pretty cool. All right. 2.1 millimeter lens, as well as a 160-degree field of view. So I'm curious as to how this thing is going to go. The Runcam Micro Sparrow, which is about the only thing to compare this to as a 16:9, is only a 700 TVL versus the 1200 that this one is. The Runcam Sparrow, also 2.1 millimeter lens, runs about the same voltage, 5 to 36. The Runcam Sparrow, however, is only a 145-degree field of view. So we'll see what the difference is here shortly.